right, y'all, it's spooky season, and that also means that it is soup season, and tonight we're going to be making some beefy cabbage soup. And yes, I know it's still August, but okay, it's spooky season, y'all. All right, first thing we're going to do is we're going to start off with 2 pounds of ground beef. Now, sometimes I use ground beef, and sometimes I use Italian sausage. Tonight, I have ground beef thawed out, so that's what we're using. All right, 3 p.m. Coffee break. Who else has a coffee break at like 3 o'clock in the afternoon? I've always had one. It's just like my little treat. While this meat's cooking now, I'm going to add in 1 yellow onion. This is finely diced. My meat's about halfway done cooking. I have 2 carrots that I finely diced. We're going to add these in. And a shit ton of garlic. I normally like the fresh minced in this, but I'm out of fresh, so I'm just having to use the jar. And it's fine if you do. There ain't nothing wrong with it. All right, my meat's done cooking, and I've returned it to the pot. Now we're going to season it up really good. We're going to start off with some onion powder, garlic powder, some smoked paprika, a little tiny bit of ground thyme, about half a teaspoon, a good bit of salt, and pepper. And I'm gonna put a lot in here because I like a lot in my cabbage soup. Now I leave all my seasonings out because I'll likely probably end up adding more once I add everything in here, once we give it a taste test. We're gonna start adding our liquids. We're gonna do 4 cups of beef broth, which is this entire container. I put my beef broth in, and now I filled this up with water, and we're gonna add this in. So 4 cups of water. 1 10-ounce can of Rotel, but I'm using the Great Value brand, so it's No-Tel. 1 15-ounce can of petite diced tomatoes, and 1 6-ounce can of tomato paste. Okay, I have 1 full head of cabbage. I chopped it up. You can chop it however you like. I like mine like in between small and medium, just not really big because it is a soup. It makes it easier to eat if it's bite size. All right, so I'll let this rapidly boil for about 20 minutes. Now I'm gonna turn it down and let it go to a simmer, and we're gonna cover it and let it go for another hour. All right, y'all, here it is, all done. I am serving this with corn muffins. Now, Bubba loves the soup. He would normally do a taste test, but he just got done with football practice, and this is too hot for him right now.